When you want to have autonomous swarms of drones, 5G will enable a whole new era of autonomy as a service. My name is Kumar Dev Chatterjee. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Unmanned Life. Unmanned Life is the world's first autonomy as a service company. We can control a very complex set of drones and robots to work together very seamlessly like human beings to perform these tasks such as warehouse management, such as parcel sorting, outdoor and indoor surveillance of warehouses and facilities. And in the telco space, we can have a whole swarm of autonomous drones performing functions like public safety, emergency rescue, surveillance, monitoring. Robots can do that so long as there is an intelligence for their autonomy. The software that will be behind that is a software that we have created today. We need to have reliable, low latency, massive communication between robots to be able to control and manage a fleet. That's where 5G comes in, and that's why we're in this program with Deutsche Telekom.